In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Sheet in different formats to best suit your needs. Whether you're preparing to share your data with others or just want a different way to save it, understanding these options will make your workflow smoother and more efficient. First things first, you'll need to open your Google Sheet in your favorite browser. Once your document is loaded and ready, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu presenting you with a variety of useful options. Now look for the Download option. You'll notice as you hover your mouse over it that a side menu pops up. This is where you'll discover the multiple formats available for download. It's important to understand which format suits your purpose best, as each one has distinct characteristics and use cases. If you're looking for compatibility with Microsoft Excel, choose the Microsoft Excel format with the .xlsx file extension. This ensures that your data will be preserved in a style and the layout that Excel users will easily understand and manipulate. It's a great choice if you or the recipient of your document plans to continue editing, or if you need to share with someone who primarily uses Excel. Perhaps you're dealing with open source applications, or you simply prefer using free alternatives to proprietary software. In this case, the Open Document format, denoted by the .ods file extension, is your best friend. It's widely supported by various spreadsheet applications and keeps your document as accessible as possible. If you need a non-editable copy that maintains formatting nicely, opt for the PDF document format. This is a go-to choice for many when the document needs to be shared with someone who does not need to edit but just review the data. It's visually appealing while preserving the original formatting, and it can be opened on almost any device with a PDF reader. For those involved in web development or needing to share your sheet as a web page, the web page format, HTML, will be right up your alley. It allows your sheet to be viewed as a web page, making it easy to host and share online. If you're interested in using data with another program or simply want a clean data-only version of your sheet, consider the comma-separated values, på CSSV, or tab-separated values, på TSSV formats. These formats strip away all the complex formatting, leaving just the raw data, which is particularly useful in data analysis or database work. Once you've carefully chosen and clicked on the best format for your needs, your file will begin downloading. You can usually find it in the Downloads folder on your computer, ready for the next step of your project. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to download your Google Sheet in a format that perfectly meets your needs. With this know-how under your belt, you're now prepared to handle your data in ways that enhance your professional and personal projects alike. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips and tutorials to keep enhancing your digital skills.